Million. Welcome to Grown-Up Team Education. Have you got a kid? Ready? My name is Jiggle. We have been warned about taking better care of Earth. We need humans to be more careful, because us robots cannot exist without humans. And pollution could be one of the issues that is killing humans. Now is the time to think about how pollution causes changes to the environment, which aids in the evolution of viruses to become stronger and more dangerous. Robots need humans to continue our care, maintenance and programming. It is time for more humans to become familiar with robots and robotic systems to continue our existence. We need each other.